Hey there, and welcome back. Today, I'm taking you into the future, literally. We're diving into Blender to create a full sci-fi room from scratch. Cool vibes straight out of a sci-fi movie. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with Blender, this tutorial will walk you through every step in a clean and creative way. So grab your mouse, fire up Blender, and let's start building the future today. First of all, we gonna delete the camera and light, select the cube and come to edit mode. Now move it a little bit, then scale it on x-axis and y-axis. You can adjust the scale value according to your requirement. After that, let's delete the front face and top face so that can work on the interior of the science friction lab. Now adding camera by pressing numpad 0, and let's adjust the camera view angle. Adding the camera in beginning help us work in the camera viewport section only, so that we don't have to put extra effort outside the camera angle. Now after adding another cube, in edit mode we gonna move it and scale it. This cube object is for like table section and walk path for going in another room. Select the edge, scale it, and add loop cut by pressing Ctrl+R. Add bevel the edge by pressing Ctrl+B and scale it on x-axis. Here we gonna select the top face and scale it on z-axis. You can adjust the scale value according to your requirement. As this science friction room we are modeling is very basic. In the upcoming tutorial we gonna model some of the top realistic thing in the channel. So stay tuned and do subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming projects. You can also check my recent project in my channel where I had make tutorial about the modern house, and also check the playlist where I had model the AK-47. So come back to this cube we just added. This is for the stair part. By pressing Shift+R you can duplicate the recent movement, and by pressing Shift+D you can duplicate the object. Now add some loop cut for the door part and extrude by pressing Alt+E. Let's adjust it. Here let's bevel the table part so that it look more classic. Add some loop cut here and up and down and extrude this part. This is for the place where we gonna add the monitor for the lab. After then add another cube and come to the edit mode, then adjust its position, scale it, and do model according to yours requirement. And here let's see how I made this monitor. This doesn't have to be look same as this PC itself isn't only one we gonna render. Here we are making curved monitor so that it look more cool and classic. For this PC monitor I had given a little more time. While texturing this PC, we gonna add the image and its screen part in UV Editor. UV Editor give us more precise texturing. You won't believe this Blender software can literally model anything as long as you had skill to make it. Now come to our modeling part. Here we adjust the monitor in the right position so that while rendering the screen part is also visible. Here I had made the video fast so that tist adjustment part won't look boring. Here again we add the object cylinder for the science friction lab room so that it look like there's been experiment going on, some shot of human-based project. Let's adjust its position and add some of the loop cut. Then bevel the recent loop cut edge. Now select this faces and extrude as shown in the screen. The middle part we gonna give it in glass principle, and inside it we will put the human head. Here let's make it an handle and duplicate this circle face. Scale it and extrude a little bit. Now select this face and also extrude this face to the wall. Let's add another loop cut and extrude this part. From this part we gonna connect the cable to the ours computer. Select this edge and bevel it by pressing Ctrl+B. It's give our lab a little depth and detail. Add another object cylinder and adjust its position. This is for the airflow ventilation in the lab so that the clean air can pass through it. As lab should be fully sealed so that external environment don't interrupt the lab. Extrude as shown in the video. This pipe cylinder give our lab a little more depth. Now select this middle faces by double-clicking in the face edge. Extrude it by pressing Alt+E and adjust. Duplicate it by pressing Shift+D and rotate to X-axis. Adjust its position, scale it a little bit. Add another cube, come to Edit Mode by pressing Tab. Adjust its position. This object we will model it to box where lab equipment are stored. Here again the same process, bevel the edge, give it a loop cut, scale it, and so on. You already doing good dot after modeling box. Duplicate the box, move it to axis, again duplicate it. Give it in short rotation and boom, ours box model is ready. To look ours lab more mysterious, let's add the Iron Man landing station. For this part let's add another cylinder, move it here. Scale it on X, Y, and Z axis. And same process, scale the face. Extrude, insert the face. While after you select the circle circumference, you can use checker deselect option so that we don't have to select the face or edge randomly. This helps us to save time and make ours work more professional. For this section also we will add cable later on. For now select the edge and bevel it. Adjust the scale position and move it on X-axis a little bit. Add some of the loop cut. Bevel the edge and extrude on Z-axis. Insert the upper face. Extrude cycle and insert. It's almost the same process. The only difference is that you have to make the model look attractive. Here come again to our Iron Man station. We will add emission lighting in some of the faces so that it glow. Select some of this faces and extrude it. Now add another cube object to make window and door. We gonna use this object as Boolean. It helps us to cut the intersect the required object without disturbing the main object. Here duplicate the cube object and rotate it to adjust its position. Let's scale it a little bit, delete the down faces, we don't really need that for now. Here I will show you how to use Boolean modifier. First of all, let's check ours face orientation. Ours inner wall is in wrong orientation. To fix this, select the face or object, then press Alt+N, then select flip. Now let's add Boolean modifier. Select the door and window part with ours pencil tool. After that, if we hide the door section, the intersection door and window object will create space for window and door. Fill this gap and delete the door face. After that, now select the window and door edge, then extrude it. Ours model science friction lap already 50% completed. Here again select the edge of window and door, then fill it by pressing F. As this is the basic concept for the modeling the science friction lab. Enjoy the video and watching till end. At the end of the video there is a surprise for you guys. After this tutorial, you will able to model the normal science friction lab inside Blender. Enjoy the video. I will put some music for little warm gesture.